Yeah, hello friends, welcome back to our channel again. So if you're watching a video for an first time, then I would like to I request you guys to watch our videos. So we have uploaded lot many option strategy adjustments videos and lot many positional strategies, swing trade, intraday strategies, all those things. Okay, so also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting a notification whenever we upload and new videos. Okay, so today what we are going to look at is like we are going to have a look into an put calendar spread. So we are going to have a look at an at the money put calendar spread, so which is like a slightly bullish strategy. Okay, so by looking at an Nifty's current week, once again let me look into one. Okay, so I'll be marking just an recent high and low. So okay, so this is an recent high for in a current week, and this is a recent low. Okay, so here you can see that like 11,581 and 11,205. So this may act as in support and resistance for Nifty for the coming weeks. Okay, so also here you can see actually the Nifty is in the bullish mode for a long term, and it will have a small short term downs before it resume its upside movement. Okay, so now you can see that same as like it made a previous multiple swing lows. Here also it made a low at this level, and after that it started moving upside. So my assumption is that so it will take a support from this level and it will move on the higher side. Okay, so for the current month expiry, I'm assuming that I'm taking this 581 as a resistance, and it will move towards upside. Okay, so let's have a look into an options strategy to build. Okay, so before going into before building an option strategy for this current week, current month, I'll also have a look into an open interest so that we can do a double confirmation as well. Okay, so once again it's getting loaded. Yeah, okay, so now here you can see that sorry, we are going to build an option strategy for on 24th September. So here you can see there is more number of open interest on the put side, and here you can see the call side open interest is not much comparing to an put side, right? So what we are going to do is, so here you can see this 11,000 is having a more number of open interest on the higher side on the call option side. Here I can see 10,600 is 10,500, which is an at the money having a more number of open interest, and next to that 10,600 is having a more number of open interest on the call side. Okay, and also you can see that the max pain strike price is at the 11,500, which is almost at the money, right? So we are going to build an option strategy for this setup. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose an options, and I'll be keeping it as on 24th September, and I'm going to sell a 11,500, which is at the money put option. Okay, so at the money put option 24th September, and it's trading at the price of 167.6. okay, so I'm going to sell this position. Now you can see that, so this is the payoff graph, and if the market tends to expire anywhere about 11,333, then our position will be in the profit. But if at all, if Nifty tends to break this level and if it starts moving down, then we'll get an more losses, right? So we have to hitch this position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell I'm going to buy one 11,500 next month expiry options. Okay, so this is a put calendar spread, which is like we are going to sell the current month expiry and we are going to buy the next month expiry on the same strike price. Okay, so since I'm a little bit bullish on this for the current week current month expiry, I am going to take an at the money put calendar spread. Okay, so here you can see that the market is at the level of 11,464, and we are creating an put calendar spread at the strike price of 11,500, right? So here you can see that we have an upside break even at the level of 11,793. So here in the chart we have looked at that 11,581 is the resistance, and the next resistance will be at the level of 11,785, right? So here you can see that this is the break even point, which is 11,797. So which will act as an resistance as well for the current month, and we are having a break even at this level. And also on the downside we are having an cushion till 11,254. Even though I am having a bullish view, but if at all my view goes wrong, I should have some cushion on the downside as well. So even though market is at the level of 11,464, I have around 200 points on the downside, and I have around 300 points cushion on the upside as well. Okay, so if market tends to move up very violently, then you have to shift your sold put option for each 100 points upside movement. Okay, so if market is moving very violently with the max pain also getting changed along with the upside movement, then shift your sold put options on the upside. Okay, so don't want to do any changes for this one, since you are not going to lose anything above this 325, since it is in bot options, right? So if the market is moving upside, you have to shift this put options on the higher points, and if market is moving down, then you can add a call option. Okay, for example, let's say this is at the level of 167, and market tends to move down, and let's assume that this sold put option moves to 200, which is like around you have made a loss of 30 rupees, 30 points. Then look for the call option which is having the premium of 30 points, then you sell the 30 points call option, so that whatever the loss you are going to get from that, whatever the loss you are getting, you are going to compensate with the call option. If market is keep on moving down, then you just roll down your sold call option, so that you will be covering the losses from the put options as well. Okay, so but if the market is moving violently or either on the downside or the upside, keep an SL like around 5 to 10% based on your own risk profile, and close the positions. Okay, so you cannot adjust the position, keep on adjust if market is moving on the moving on one side. So if after doing some adjustments, if market is still keep on moving and you are going to lose, then it's better to come out with the stop loss. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys have got some knowledge from this video on put calendar spread. This is an at the money put calendar spread, which we can do it if we are our look on the market is slightly bullish. Okay, so we have multiple calendar spreads, so we'll be uploading those videos in the upcoming videos. So please stay tuned, and thanks for watching, friends.